You moved it there. It's my turn now.
I never took my hand off the piece, bro. It doesn't count.
Whatever, just make your move.
Really? That's your move?
What? Let me see you do something better, bro.
Okay.
You don't see that? You don't see... Bro. Easy queen take.
Checkmate.
How, bro? I just took your queen, though.
Sometimes you have to sacrifice a piece to make a big play.
Oh, whatever, dude. It's getting dark. I gotta go home. Come on, man. Please pick up.
What's up?
Bro? Yeah, okay. You won't believe it. I was on my way home, and I saw this guy, and then there was this other guy.
Yo, man, slow down. Are you alright, bro?
Yeah, no, just listen. And then I saw him, and he killed the other guy, and I didn't know what to do.
Killed him?
Yes. Yeah, he killed him, bro. I saw him stab him with a knife, and then he looks up at me, and...
He looked at you, bro?
Yeah, he looked at me. He saw me. But then I left. He didn't get a good look at me. I was on my bike. I went way faster than him. He was on foot.
Are you sure he didn't follow you?
No, there's no way he could have followed me, bro. There's...
Why was the door locked?
I'm so sorry. I was scared. It was dark and raining out.
Let me go get some sleep.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Hey, bro, I got scared for a second. Bro?
Your friend is with me. Meet me at the location, or he dies.
You gotta get